So let's see how you can use code snippets. So what you need to do is click onto a .swift file, such as a viewcontroller.swift file, and then you move your cursor where you want to put the code snippet. Then you click on the library icon, which is the plus icon in the upper right corner. And normally when you use the library icon is when you're designing a user interface and you see different user interface objects, such as labels, text fields, buttons. But when you click on the library icon inside a .swift file, you can see a list of code snippets. And essentially a code snippet, if you click on one of them, it creates a template for using common types of statements. So you have a for statement, a function statement, if statement, if else statement. And you can see right here where it says Swift, these are all written in the Swift language. If you go further down, you can see there's Objective-C and then there's C and C++. For our purposes, you want to stay in the Swift category. And so when you see a snippet that you want to use, you can drag it into place like that. Or you can simply move the cursor where you want it to appear and then double click on the snippet that you want. And you can see the fields are highlighted, and if you press the tab key, you can rotate between the different fields, and if you hit Shift Tab, you can go backwards between fields. So Tab, Shift Tab, Tab, Shift Tab. And now you can go ahead and type in some code, and the code can be anything you want. And then you fill in the code, and then you can go ahead and run it, and you see that it works. But essentially the code snippet lets you type and create commonly used Swift statements without having to type it all yourself. And that's how you can use code snippets. And you can see I ran my program. It's a for statement, and it counts each item in the array and it prints it, and that's exactly what it did down here.